Welcome to our latest tech roundup. Today, we're delving into the top 5 best mid-tower PC cases of 2024. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or a PC enthusiast, finding the right case is crucial for your setup. We've researched and tested the latest models, considering design, functionality, and value. So, if you're planning a new build or an upgrade, stay tuned as we reveal the standout cases this year, blending style with performance. Number 5. NZXT H6 Flow RGB. The NZXT H6 Flow RGB is an innovative mid-tower PC case, masterfully blending design and functionality, catered to the needs of modern PC enthusiasts and gamers. One of its most striking features is the panoramic paneling. This design incorporates tempered glass, offering an expansive and unobstructed view of the case's interior, showcasing the components in full glory. What sets this case apart is its compact dual-chamber design. This not only improves cooling performance by segregating heat-generating components, but also creates a visually uncovered interior. Such a layout is especially beneficial for those who prioritize both aesthetics and cooling efficiency. Cooling is a strong suit of the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. Equipped with three 120mm RGB fans. These fans are strategically angled for optimal cooling immediately upon setup. Complementing the cooling performance is the case's high-performance airflow design, featuring a perforation pattern on the panels optimized for maximum airflow. The case also supports up to a 360mm radiator on the top, and offers clearance for a 365mm GPU, accommodating a wide range of high-end components. Cable management is streamlined with wide channels and included straps, promoting a neat and orderly interior. This feature not only enhances the aesthetic, but also improves airflow. Adding to its user-friendly design is the tool-free entry, allowing quick and easy access to the top and side panels for effortless upgrades and maintenance. Priced at $134.99, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB offers a compelling mix of style, functionality, and value. It stands out as an excellent choice for users seeking a visually stunning, high-performing case with convenient features. Number 4. Lian Li O11 Vision. The Lian Li O11 Vision, priced at $139.99, redefines elegance and efficiency in the realm of mid-tower PC cases. Its standout feature is the three sides of column glass panels, offering a seamless and unobstructed view of the internal components. This design not only enhances the visual appeal but also allows users to showcase their high-end builds impressively. Ease of assembly is a key aspect of the O11 Vision, thanks to its modular and toolless design. Panels and fan brackets are engineered for a user-friendly installation process, catering to both experienced builders and novices. Cooling capabilities are a major strength of this case. It supports up to two 360mm radiators and one 240mm radiator with room for a maximum of 8 fans in a push-pull setup. It can accommodate up to 11 fans, ensuring robust cooling for even the most demanding systems. The case's design features 27mm tall feet and a hollow bottom, which significantly increases cold air intake, enhancing cooling efficiency. The dual-chamber layout includes a dedicated cable management compartment and cable holders, promoting a tidy interior and improved airflow. Furthermore, the O11 Vision includes a removable bottom fan bracket and dust filter, simplifying maintenance and protecting components. With support for 1 PSU and its focus on sophisticated cooling and ease of assembly, the Lian Li O11 Vision is an excellent choice for PC enthusiasts seeking a blend of style, functionality, and value. Number 3. Thermaltake CTE C700 Air. The Thermaltake 700 Air, a mid-tower PC case, stands out with its centralized thermal efficiency design, making it a tough choice for PC builders looking for both aesthetics and performance. Priced at $159.99, it brings together innovative design and functional prowess. A key feature of this case is its tempered glass side panel, offering a clear view of the internal components while adding a touch of elegance. The inclusion of 3 pre-installed 140mm CT140 fans provides robust cooling right out of the box. The 700 Air's design is notably unique, featuring a 90 degrees rotation of the motherboard. This innovative orientation significantly enhances airflow, moving critical heat sources like the CPU and graphics card closer to cool air, ensuring efficient cooling. Active cooling is a major focus, ensuring more efficient intake airflow. For DIY enthusiasts, the case offers flexibility with the ability to install dual radiators up to 360mm in length at the front, rear, and bottom. Additionally, for all-in-one coolers, there's compatibility for up to 420mm or 360mm radiators on the front and rear. Connectivity is conveniently addressed with 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and HD audio ports located on the top panel for easy access. Combining massive airflow with incredible performance, the Thermaltake 700 Air is not just about cooling efficiency, but also about perfect dust protection, ensuring longevity and sustained performance of the internal components. This case is an excellent choice for those seeking a blend of high-end functionality, flexible cooling options, and sleek design in their PC build. Number 2. Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901. The Dark Base Pro 901 is a heavyweight in every sense of the word. It's built like a tank, boasting superb materials and build quality. From the black anodized brushed aluminum inserts to the tempered glass and steel structure, this case screams luxury and durability. One standout feature is the light-up front panel ports and controls, adding both style and functionality. But hey, it's not all about looks, there's substance here too. The case comes with acoustic plugs that fill unused fan mounts, ensuring great airflow at moderate noise levels. This case is a playground for PC enthusiasts. It supports various motherboard form factors, from Mini ADX to Mini IDX, giving you flexibility for your build. And the internal layout is a mix of deluxe materials and smart design choices. The fan controller syncs with your motherboard, giving you control over your system's cooling. And let's not forget the wireless smartphone charging panel on top, a neat addition for those always on the go. When it comes to cooling, the Dark Base Pro 901 doesn't disappoint. With ample radiator mounts and fan brackets, you've got options for maximizing airflow or keeping things whisper quiet. Number 1. HYTE Y70 Touch. The HYTE Y70 Touch, priced at $359.99, is a revolutionary PC case that combines state-of-the-art technology with a sleek modern design. It stands out in the market for its integrated 14.1-inch touchscreen, offering a mesmerizing display with a 4K resolution. This feature not only enhances user interaction, but also adds a futuristic touch to the build. The case sports a unified modern aesthetic with 3-piece panoramic glass, providing a comprehensive view of the internal components. Its dual-chamber interior is available in 4 different colors, allowing for personalization to match any setup. Designed to support high-end gaming and professional workstations, the HYTE Y70 Touch features massive 4-slot vertical graphics support. This capability ensures that even the largest and most powerful GPUs can be accommodated with ease, making it ideal for demanding applications. Cooling is a top priority in this case. It boasts a ginormous cooling capacity with optimized iconic Y-series ventilation. The case supports 360mm radiators on both the top and side, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. The cold floor cooling design further enhances this, providing an optimal airflow configuration with a capacity for 10 total fans. Attention to detail is evident in the HYTE Y70 Touch design. It includes helpful labels, reusable Velcro straps for cable management, floating storage sleds for easy installation, and a tactile blue power switch for a premium feel. Overall, the HYTE Y70 Touch is an exquisite PC case offering unparalleled features and aesthetics. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-end, feature-rich case that combines innovative technology with exceptional design. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best mid-tower PC cases of 2024. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect case for your build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which case caught your eye. Stay tuned for more tech insights and happy